kumakalat na nude photo? Kamakailan, kumalat at pinagpapasapasahan umano through mobile phones and other mobile gadgets ang di umano'y nude photo ng concert queen na si Pops Fernandez. Sa kopya ng picture na nakuha ng SNN, kitang-kita nga ang tila isang hubad na larawan ni Pops Fernandez in a seductive pose. Hindi pa natutukoy kung saan nagmula ang nasabing picture, pero agad hininga ng pahayag ng SNN ang ex-husband ni Pops na si Martin regarding the photo.
Oh, I didn't see that. You know, when they take the head off someone and they put the head of their favorite star. They did it to Pops many years ago and other female colleagues of mine.
Dagdag pa ni Martin, naniniwala siyang hindi magagawa ni Pops ang magpakuha in that manner.
No way. Not my Pops. Not the Pops I know. She's a decent woman and I don't think that was Pops.
Sinubukan rin ng SNN na kunin ang opinyon ng isang professional graphic artist to determine the authenticity of the picture.
Una sa lahat yung sa mukha nga at saka yung sa skin, magkaiba, mas matingkad yung sa mukha. So, dun pa lang iisipin na kung pinatong.
So, ibig sabihin ito, false picture, parang hindi siya totoo na si Pops Fernandez.
Malaki, hindi talaga siya.
Ayon pa kay Lizada, nawadeking larawan ni Pops.
I've always been mad at anybody who would abuse the beauty and the glamour of Pops. If someone is really doing that, using Pops' face and her body, I really would urge them to stop doing that and to get a life. Do something else with your time.
Isa pang